Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up GitHub Copilot in your Visual Studio and how to boost your code productivity. If you ever wanted to have an AI assistant to help you your code faster, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, what is GitHub Copilot? It's an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. Copilot can suggest code snippets, complete function, and even write boilerplate code for you based on your project context. It's like having a coding buddy right inside your ADI. So the first step is to install Visual Studio Preview. Uh, GitHub Copilot is currently available in the preview version of Visual Studio. You can download Visual Studio Preview using the link included in the video description. Head over to the GitHub Copilot website and subscribe the service. So next step is head over to your Visual Studio. You will find a button here, GitHub Copilot. You need to click on it and connect it to your GitHub account. So it's free. You get a tutorial for 1 month, but in this period you can test it. You can work with it if it's work for you. Whenever you connect it to your GitHub account, you will get this green mark here. So it means it's connected and it's ready to operate. So next step is head over to this part, GitHub Copilot chat. In this chat, you are free to chat with the GitHub Copilot and ask many questions, ask many improvement. So let's do some experiment together. So here I'm gonna ask some question and let's see how it responds. So first I'll open this class. Here there are some templates that for you that you can use it, like summarize my code, uh, write unit tests, fix my code. It's all the possibilities that you can use it. For example, this one summarize my code. I'll click on it, and I need to just select one of like this part from this source code. For example, if I choose weather forecast controller, it will come here, and when I hit the enter, so it starts to explain this module for me. So you can even here do some other stuff. For example, you can like highlight this part of code and then right click and then choose ask Copilot, and here also you can ask to this explain this part. And as you can see, it starts to explain all these things to you very clearly, step by step, part by part. It's very obvious. You can also ask for some changes inside your code. For example, here I highlight this part and again ask Copilot, add more values here, like cold freezing. So as you can see, the changes are made. So I need to just accept the changes. So see here, I asked to add code and phrasing, and it's working very perfectly. I'll give you also some tips to get the most out of Copilot. The more context you provide, the better the suggestion. Always double check Copilot's code for accuracy and security. Don't rely on Copilot for everything. Use it to enhance your productivity, not replace your understanding. And that's it, how you set up and use Copilot in Visual Studio Preview. With Copilot, you can save time, write better code, and focus on solve real problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more programming tips and share it with others. If you have more questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!